Oil and grease cause unsightly stains in tiles and natural stone. And the worst part is that you can rarely remove this type of stain. Or can you? Let's have a look. Hi John.
Hello.
If I spill oil or grease on my porous natural stone tile floor, will your oil and grease absorber remove the stain in just one go?
Absolutely.
Really? How does it work?
If you get a stain from spilling, that means that your surface is porous. AG oil and grease absorber will remove that stain easily from all porous tiles and natural stone floors. I'll show you. The aim is to steer very well. You apply a thick layer on the stain, approximately half a centimeter. The formula is self-acting, so you don't have to do anything. It sucks out the stain from the stone.
Gosh, I don't see it anymore. Good in one go.
Yeah, this formula works on all kinds of stone-like floors, but also concrete and cement.
Also good in one go.
Also in one go.
Thank you for your time, John.
You're welcome.
It's unbelievable but true. The HG oil and grease absorber removes stains from natural stone in one go.